Hello everyone! Today for our virtual lesson, we will be doing a lesson about ecosystems diving into your own backyard. We're going to begin with what is an ecosystem exactly. This is also known as a habitat and is a special place where plants and animals live together. When different things live together, like trees, birds, and even these deer, they help each other and work together to live in this ecosystem. Things like weather, temperature, land also shape how plants and animals work together and grow and live in their habitat, making them a part of the ecosystem as well. Can you think of any specific examples of ecosystems? Take a few seconds to brainstorm some. The first one that comes to mind when I think of an ecosystem is a coral reef. It is so populated with fish and sharks and octopus and coral and lots of different living and non-living things that make it an ecosystem. The next example that I chose was a desert. I chose the desert because the temperature in a desert greatly affects how everything works together in the ecosystem. The last example that I can think of is a rainforest. The trees and the animals all work together and have to live based on the rain, which affects their ecosystem. Some different parts of an ecosystem are abiotic factors versus biotic factors. Abiotic factors can be rocks, the water in a pond, or even the dirt underground. It is a non-living part of an ecosystem that still affects and shapes its environment. A biotic factor is something living within an ecosystem. This could be plants, animals, bacteria, anything that is living in an ecosystem. Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you these images on the screen, and I want you to choose if they are biotic or abiotic. To specify, the picture in the top right is just dirt, and the GIF in the bottom row is a plant. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds, and then we're going to see if you got them correct. Here are the answers for the abiotic versus biotic pictures. How many did you get right? Let's go over them. A rock is abiotic because it is not living. A fish is biotic because it is living and breathing. Dirt is also abiotic because it affects the environment and how the plants grow, but it's not living itself. A panda, a plant, and a turtle are all biotic and are living things that interact with each other. Next, we're going to talk about the energy in an ecosystem and how it flows in as sunlight and out as heat. There are things and animals such as herbivores, which is an organism that mostly feeds on plants. They only eat plants, or if it was a human, they would only eat vegetables. The next thing we're going to talk about is a carnivore, and this is an animal that feeds on other animals, like a fox, which eats little rabbits or other little animals, but not any plants. Decomposers are organisms that decompose organic material. So this is mushrooms, worms, bacteria, mostly little things that you're not able to see. Now we're concluding our lesson by allowing you to get up and try and find 3 of each biotic and abiotic factors in your backyard. When you find these, you're going to label the biotic factors either as a herbivore, a carnivore, or a decomposer. And after you finish this, I encourage you to watch this video of a coral reef ecosystem with your guardian or parent at home on a device. I hope everyone is having a great day and stay safe on this virtual learning day.